This is my old Kenmore dishwasher. And as you can see, it's not draining properly and I have stagnant water here at the bottom of the dishwasher. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your dishwasher that won't drain. Step 1. Before we take apart the dishwasher, first check the drain pipe of the dishwasher because often it could be clogged and it's a simple fix. I couldn't get to mine, so I loosened the hose clamp and connected to the drain hose with the help of a screwdriver. Before you pull the pipe out, make sure to have the tray or a bucket ready so that you can catch any water dripping from the pipe. Next, pull out the drain pipe out of the garbage disposal and dispense any water drippings into the tray. Step 2. I inserted the drain clog removal tool to see if the hose was clogged, but nothing came out. So I wanted to try one more thing. I wrapped my fingers around the rim of the hose and tried blowing through the hose to see if any air could pass through. But as you can see, in my case, despite blowing very hard, the air didn't pass. This means that there's a clog in the dishwasher down the line. And as you can see, there's still water trapped in this hose right here. Next, loosen the hose clamp and pull out the dishwasher's outlet from the garbage disposal pipe. Catch any water into the tray. Step 3. Remove the rack from the dishwasher by removing this little clip that holds the rack. Remove them on both sides. After that, slide the rack right out. Step 4. Use a vacuum and suck out any stagnant water from the bottom of the dishwasher. It might take a little while because of the clog. Step 5. Use an adjustable wrench and unscrew the center nut that is at the center of the lower sprayer arm. Be careful not to apply too much force as it may break because it's plastic. The sprayer arm pops right off after that. Step 6. Remove this arm by unscrewing the screws, but before you unscrew the screws, place a towel or some kind of rag on top of the filter to prevent the screws falling in through the cracks. Then unscrew the 2 screws that hold the arm in place. One of them is at the top of the ceiling of the dishwasher. After that, give the arm a clockwise twist at the bottom and you will be able to pull it right out. Step 7. Remove the center plastic plug and make sure you do not lose this plastic ring. Next, the filter is held by 4 screws. You will need a T15 screwdriver bit to unscrew them. Unscrew them one by one carefully and pull out the filter. As you can see, the pores in the filter are clogged, so give it a good washing and remove all the dirt. Make sure you also wash the lower portion of the filter. Next, check the bottom to see if any gunk or anything that is in there and use a vacuum to pump out any excess water. Then, unscrew this screw and pull out this cover under which there is a blade and a screen. You can see there's a lot of garbage in there as well. Remove all the garbage out. As you can see, I had a lot of different things in there, especially some glass that was probably broken in the past. After it's all clean, place this black plastic thingy back in the slit and put the cover back on and screw it in place. Next, place the filter on the top and put all the screws in their place one at a time. Tighten all them one by one and then place the central plug. Next, place this plastic arm back by twisting it counterclockwise at the bottom and place the towel on the filter and screw in the arm with the screws back in place. Don't forget the one on top. Then place the lower spray arm in place and tighten the central nut. Next, slide the rack back and place these plastic clips back on both sides. Lastly, run your dishwasher without any dishes and see if the water properly drains. Check out this video right here.